multiple different farmers using the same drone, or the same farmer used multiple drones.
Somewhere between 45 and 50,000 euros to develop that. Then the developed stuff will have to be open source, and Filipe will introduce that.
Lots of organizations are using open source. And people are considering open source as a gift. We give you a gift, like a puppy, you know? You have a gift, we give you a puppy.